Madonnas, back again today with another video, and today's video is gonna be my very first Halloween look of 2021. And can you guess who we are? Of course, we are serving Miss Carrie herself, you know, the baddest bloody bitch. That sounds disgusting. Yeah, I actually just seen the movie Carrie, which inspired this look. I decided for my first look for it to be kind of like a glam look with a little twist. So if you guys are super late just like me with Halloween looks and you don't know what to be this year, then I literally tell you all you need for this look is a full face of makeup and some blood, a crown, and a dress, and boom, you're Carrie. Like, period. I don't know how I got this look, and of course with all that extra fun stuff, because this look is serving me, like, for real. If you do like my Halloween tutorials, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. I do have 2 more looks coming for you guys next. That's like a lot more complicated. Hope you guys do enjoy this first look. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of my videos, definitely hit that subscribe button as well. And yeah guys, until next time, hey, bye.
Alright, so jumping into voiceover, of course, Sage had to come bother mommy and jump in frame. Look at that cute little baby. Hi, prima donnas. Alright, Sage, let mommy do my thing, okay? Because I can't cuddle with you all day, unfortunately. Look, she does not want to get down. But anyways, first things first, we got to get in the zone, okay? Because it's a prima donna Halloween series. Are you guys excited? Like, y'all know, I'll be waiting all year to go all out. But anyways, first things first, we're going to start on the brow. And you guys know I love a little slit in the brow. And for that, I'm going to use some micellar water just to give us a negative space with an angled brush. And then you're going to fill that in with some concealer. Super easy, you guys. Thank me later. And I feel like just a slit in the brow just adds more of like a badass type of vibe to any type of look, if you get me. So if you want any type of like grunge to your look, I would highly recommend doing this little hack of adding a little slit in your brow for Halloween. I don't know who I thought I was trying to film with these damn hoops on, because girl, I know I cannot be my face with no damn hoops. So I had to take those off. By the way, I did take Autumn to school, which is why I even had hoops on to begin with. But anyways, you guys, moving on to primer. I'm not really going to go in depth to the face makeup today because, to be honest, all y'all by now should know how to beat your face, to be honest. We should all know how to at least put on some foundation. So you're going to do your simple go-to face. But this look, I wanted to keep it more of like a prom type of look. So that's the face that I am going for. And I also did want to show you guys that I am using the Hourglass Vanish foundation stick. If y'all are OGs of my channel, y'all know I always back this foundation stick out. At this time of year, it's like literally my go-to Halloween full coverage foundation. It's definitely not a Halloween foundation. It's a freaking foundation from Sephora, but it's bomb and it is literally full fucking coverage. I love it. Love it. Love it. So I don't know why. I just always use it for my Halloween looks. But anyway, starting with the eyes, as you guys can see, I kind of already just finished up with my face, but I did want to just give you guys some info about the skin just in case you guys were interested. But starting off with the eyes, I'm going in with my PLOUSE base. Of course, we want our eyeshadow to be still nice and slayed, so I'm gonna go ahead and blank out my eyelid, and then we're gonna go ahead and press that in. For today's eyeshadow, I am gonna be using the GLAMLITE MIKAYLA palette, and tell me this is not screaming prom. I don't know, I felt like this was perfect for prom night, because in my brain, okay, Carrie is going to prom. So I decided to back this out, and of course I am gonna do a look with all of these fun colors, but for today I decided to keep, you know, the look pretty neutral, because if I really was going to prom, I would definitely bitch back out this look. So for my eye look, I literally wanted to sit down and was like, Leslie, if your ass was gonna be taken to prom right here right now at this moment, how would you beat your face? So this is the look that came to mind. So I'm literally just grabbing 2 neutral shades and popping those into my crease. One is more lighter and one is more a little bit more cool tone. For some reason, when I do my little smoky soft glams, I like to add somewhat of a cool tone nude to the eyes. I just love the way that looks, especially when you have a lot of matte eyeshadows. So now I'm going in with a little bit of more of the PLOUSE base, and we're not doing a cut crease. I'm literally just opening up my lids again, just so that way we actually look like we have eyelids again, because my lids are actually pretty small. So this is also another little hack to make your eyelids look more bigger. So I really quickly just lined my lash line with some eyeliner, and now this is what's going to kind of give a little bit of the drama. You're going to take some black eyeshadow on an angled brush, and you're just going to smoke out that liner, and it's going to just add a little something. You see what I just did? It adds a little something. I love this technique, especially if you're not that great at wing liner. Just a smoky liner will do. So now I'm just going to highlight my inner corner and pop on my lashes. So for highlight, I am going to be taking the BPERFECT x Stacey Marie Get What highlighter in the shade, I believe this is Halo Glaze, which is like the pinky purpley type of one. I wanted to really emphasize the pink because honestly, Carrie actually wore a pink dress to her prom, and you guys, I didn't have a pink dress, and when she was covered in blood, her dress literally looked it red anyway. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna do a red dress, but I still wanted to, you know, bring out some of the pink and make it, you know, a little cute. Now I am gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line with that deep plum shade from the MIKAYLA palette. I'm sorry I don't really know the exact shades. I'm actually doing this voiceover in my mom's house and I don't have the palette right in front of me, so I can't really read the names because it's going a little too fast. But anyways, I went ahead and popped on some rhinestones just for a little extra bling right underneath my eyes because I don't know, it's giving me prom. I feel like if I was going to prom, I would so totally do that. And now of course we're gonna finish up the look with the lips. I am gonna line my lips. This is the Cocoa liner from the Retro Paradise lip kit, the liner kit, and I'm obsessed with this lip liner, so I just quickly went ahead and filled in my lips as well. And yeah, of course I'm out of frame because I be mad close to the camera, I mean to my mirror when I'm doing my lips. Okay, but anyways, oh, I love this look. I love the way the eyes came out, so pretty. But anyways, to pop into the center, I'm actually gonna be taking, this is the Morphe 2 lip and cheek mousse in the shade Wish, which is a really pretty like nudie pink. I wanted, like I said, to bring out more of the pink, and it just went so perfect with this look. But I felt like it was definitely needed something, so I wanted to, you know, like I said, add more pink. So I went in with some more blush. This is the BH Cosmetics Strawberry Vanilla Truffle blush palette, and then I was like, you know what, we need some gloss because these lips need to be popping. So I put on the Fenty Beauty Confetti gloss, which kind of has like a pinky purpley shift, and girl, when I say that the gloss literally tied everything together, I was like, yes, I love a fucking good gloss. So of course we want our skin to be nice and glowy, so I did just take the LUMI glow spray from L'Oreal, and that was pretty much it for this prom inspired glam. What do you guys think as far as the glam makeup? I love it. This is a look all on its own. So if you guys actually want to follow this tutorial to go out, bitch, to go to prom for your birthday, bitch, do you. But now it's time to turn into Carrie. Okay, so this is the dress that I wore. By the way, this dress is from Fashion Nova. I'm not sure, I'll link it down below. I also did get a little tiara from the Halloween store. I did cop me some red contacts as well as a little jewelry set from the costume store as well, some red grease paint, and some blood and a white little sash. So those were all of the accessories. I wanted to literally break them down just in case you wanted to recreate this look. And look at me feeling myself in this dress. Yes, red dress. Feeling mad prima donna. If you guys are like, girl, that dress looks familiar, that was actually from my photo shoot for my lashes with the collab with Heather. Oh, I love this dress so much. But anyways, now that I got my jewelry on, let's start adding the blood. So first we want some blood splatter, okay? I love me a good blood splatter. So I like to actually put it on a toothbrush and actually speckle it on my face. So for this, I'm actually using liquid lipstick. And the reason why I'm using liquid lipstick, you guys, please get into this tip. You do not want to put fake blood all over your face because it's not going to stay that nice bright red. Those cheap ass fake bloods, they get really dry and crusty and they turn dark and they look ugly after a while. I will be honest with you. So I would recommend to use red paint or liquid lipstick underneath the blood. That way your blood is still looking like reddish, if that makes sense. You don't want your blood to look mad, dry, and ugly, and no. We want it to stay nice and red. So yeah, that's why I'm actually using the liquid lipstick first. That way we don't have to use so much blood, if you get me. So now I'm just putting it all over my shoulders, all over my fingers. You're just gonna put it wherever you see fit. Like I said, just pretend that a bucket of blood literally just fell on top of your head. It will literally go everywhere. I've seen a lot of people do the Carrie inspired makeup look and they use a lot of blood. I mean, you use as much blood as you want to, but for this look I really wanted to still show the glam makeup, so I kind of kept the blood really just on the top of my head and my body, just so you know I won't fuck up my beat. But like I said, y'all do you. I also did add in the one red contact because in the new movie, the movie cover, like one of Carrie's eyes is red, and I really wanted to recreate that. And now I'm taking some of the red grease paint and putting it all in my hairline, girl. I'm going all in, okay? I'm taking more of the liquid lipstick and adding more splatter to my forehead, just so that way, you know, it don't look like we got no damn lace front on. And now I'm gonna go in with the fake basic blood that I got from the Halloween store. If you guys want to cover your face so that way that it won't drip down, but this blood was actually more of like a jelly type of consistency, so it actually stood where I put it. It wasn't too runny, kind of like the vampire blood. So I actually really recommend this one if you want it to stay put. So yeah, I think that was pretty much it for this look. After you add the blood, I'm just going crazy with the blood. I'm putting it wherever I see fit. I'm making a little blood drip down my eye. But yeah, you guys, this was kind of like my Carrie inspired makeup look. Have any of you guys actually seen the Carrie movie? I actually just recently watched it. And the one thing that I got from the movie, pretty much moral of the story, is let a bitch hate, okay? When you win prom queen, let them bitches hate. And if they throw blood on you, sis, bitch, work. Turn it into a look. Let these bitches be mad from afar. Because Carrie here, she chose violence, okay? Carrie chose violence. And that's how the whole night went left. You know, I probably would have chose violence too, not gonna lie, okay? These bitches was really trying her. But she did what she had to do. But anyways, this is my Carrie inspired look. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. This one is pretty simple compared to the other looks that I do have coming. I wanted to keep this one more on the glam side, just in case, you know, not everybody knows how to draw and want to be all extra for Halloween. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.